This might be the best beginner drone on the market. It's called the DJI Mini 4K. Really clear branding with this one, which is great from DJI on their mini range. So as the name suggests, it is a mini drone under 250 grams, and it is a 4K drone. So this is the Fly More combo here. I'm keen to see what's inside and if this feels similar to other mini drones from DJI in recent years. So, there it is there, just smashed the camera accidentally. Alright, let's do the little bloop. Love that part. And now, let's get into it and see how this all comes. Okay, so pretty simple, really. Just a bag. This is how I remember the previous mini drones would come. So the actual the strap itself is all tucked away nicely, but it's ready to go. You don't have to attach it, which is nice. Some of the newer ones you have to attach, but this is how it comes. This looks very similar to other previous bags from DJI. We have the front zip. That's where you can put a few cables and other accessories, maybe some paperwork, and then the main compartment up here. And this is where everything else comes. So very similar. I can see that this is the same bag from memory as their previous mini drone range. I don't recall this here. Maybe this is new, this material, this pattern. But overall, very similar to what we've seen in the past. Now, let's jump straight into the controller, because I am curious to see. I haven't actually looked into this drone just yet. Keen to see what controller we're getting here. Okay, so we're getting the RCN1C. Okay. So I need to look into compatibility to see what other controllers you can use, but that sounds like a standalone controller. We've got the RCN1, but this is the RCN1C. Interesting. Okay, well, anyway, looks very similar to the N1. Then we get the little charging hub, which I'd imagine would be very similar again to all of the other ones we've seen. Yes, this looks like it's going to be interchangeable with some of the previous mini models. Same feel to that. It's USB-C. There is also an out as well, USB-A out, and a power button as well. So we get that, which is nice. We get some paperwork, which we all know. A lot of paperwork, which is very nice. We really should commit to reading the manuals, everyone, but we don't seem to, do we? Alright, and so in this top compartment, this is where we have some of the extra cables. So let's just put these down here. So we get some propellers, some spare propellers, which is nice. They're packaged nicely, which is great. We get some cables here, USB-C to USB-C. Oh no, USB-C, yeah, USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to micro USB. And then in here, I would imagine this would be the lightning connection. Yeah, there we go. So we get the lightning connection there. Okay. Get a screwdriver and we get a few other little things, including a cable. So very similar to what I can remember from previous mini drones. This looks like almost like a reshell of previous mini drones that we've seen from DJI. Okay, let's make sure we can see everything. All right, and so the main piece, which is the DJI Mini 4K. Beautiful. There we go. Everything is nice and secure, so many different stickers on it. All sorts of securing stickers for the gimbal and inside the gimbal. Oh, it's all here. Take that one off. Take that one off. We can finally have a look at it. Okay, so straight away it looks remarkably similar to previous mini drones, which is what I was expecting. We do get the propeller holder there, which matches same kind of color palette actually, which is quite nice. Simple little design on that one. Let me just move these stickers out of the way, guys. Okay, so this basically just comes off. It's like almost like a little button. So it's nice and simple. Remove that, and then you had the gimbal cover on as well just before that I took off. And this is the Mini 4K. There it is. Okay, so when we look at the front here at the camera, it doesn't actually say anything on the camera. It doesn't tell us exactly what we're getting here, but it is a 4K ready camera. It looks very similar to other mini drones, feels very similar. I feel like this is the same body that we had with previous mini drones, but it's just got the rebrand here, the Mini 4K. There it is right there. So yeah, still a really solid drone. I absolutely love the Mini 2. So if this is going to be anything like that, which I believe it's going to be very similar, this is going to be great. A lot of people are going to love this drone. Let's just fold it down again just to show you the footprint. Tiny little thing. So that's it there, the little Mini 4K. Well worth checking out if you're on a budget, if you're a beginner. This could be the one to start with.